Hi, it's Carrie Plantinga, your home and garden blogger, Canadian version. Anyways, okay, we've been in our new home for 2 weeks. So this video, I'm just going to give you a quick home tour. And I mentioned in my last video that I was going to do, like a before and after of our last home. But I realized there's a ton of stuff online on my blog that shows you a lot of the work that we did there. And honestly, I didn't switch to being a home and garden until like way later. Okay, I'm gonna have my cat screaming at me because he wants to be outside. So hopefully it's not too bad in this video. So when we looked at the house, the realtor that was selling it, he actually, excuse my cat, it's gonna start meowing at me. He really wants to go outside. This, he suggested to close this off and actually make it, I'm talking about this like weird balcony thing, and make it a walk-in closet. We'll see if we do that. I don't know, it was a suggestion that he had. All right, that was a super short and quick simple walkthrough. Yeah, there's this house, it's not like a project house like the last one. It's got a lot more bones, but we're definitely going to be doing some updates to this one. So at least fun fact about our old house, actually they've already ripped out the kitchen and have been working on that. So not like I'm ever going to see what it's going to look like, but anyways, I'm pretty happy about that kitchen. It's pretty awesome, so pretty exciting. All right, subscribe. Love to have you along on the journey, and I will have more home and garden content coming. All right, until the next video.